Everyone consumes collagen for younger skin, stronger nails, and shinier hair. Collagen's real purpose has nothing to do with beauty. It's something far more critical that almost no one understands. What you're about to learn will change your mind about this essential protein. Let's get started. Collagen makes up 30% of all the protein in your body. It's the glue that holds everything together: tendons, ligaments, cartilage, bones, and arteries. We consume soft, lean meat that contains almost no collagen. Only 1 to 3% of our protein intake comes from collagen. Your collagen levels are at their peak at age 17. By age 75, you've lost up to 80%. This is why skin can sag, joints can deteriorate, and injuries can take forever to heal. What most people don't realize is this: when you eat collagen, 90% of it breaks down into individual amino acids, the same raw materials you get when you eat eggs or steak. But the remaining 10% remains as peptide chains, and that's where the magic happens. Peptides are signaling molecules. They don't just provide building blocks, they command your body to repair and rebuild collagen throughout your system. These peptides circulate in your bloodstream, activating fibroblast cells that produce new collagen and elastin in your skin, joints, intestinal lining, arteries, and connective tissues. Regular protein from meat, fish, or eggs provides amino acids, but not signaling peptides. Only collagen provides this powerful repair stimulator. Now, let's talk about the benefits of collagen. Antioxidant power. Collagen increases the production of glutathione, your liver's primary detoxifier and antioxidant. Better sleep. The amino acid glycine in collagen promotes deeper sleep cycles. Many people are glycine deficient, which can lead to sleep problems. Gut repair. Glycine is essential for healing leaky gut and maintaining the integrity of the intestinal lining. Arterial health. Your arteries are made of collagen. Consuming collagen helps maintain cardiovascular flexibility and strength. Flexibility and strength. Collagen stimulates elastin production, keeping tissues flexible and youthful rather than stiff and brittle. How to get more collagen? Collagen powder. Mix into coffee, smoothies, or water. It dissolves easily and has no harsh taste. Whole food sources: skinned chicken or fish. Bone broth made from joints and cartilage. Bone marrow and grass-fed beef, tougher but rich in collagen. Key contributors: vitamin C, biotin, copper, and trace minerals help transform collagen into body tissue. Eat a varied diet to support this process. In summary, collagen isn't just about looking good. It's involved in cellular repair, signaling your body to rebuild connective tissue, supporting deep sleep, detoxifying your liver, and maintaining structural integrity from your gut to your arteries. Most people are seriously deficient because modern diets lack collagen-rich foods. Supplementing collagen powder or whole food sources provides your body with both the raw materials and signaling molecules needed for comprehensive repair. If this has changed your perspective on collagen, click the like button and share it with someone who needs this information. I hope you enjoyed the information I provided and found it helpful. If you want to support our helpful content like this, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can reach even more people with this information. Thank you in advance for your support. I wish you health, wealth, and happiness.